U.S. carmaker Tesla's Shanghai factory officially resumed production on Tuesday. The company said about 8,000 employees returned to work. Affected by the latest COVID-19 resurgence in Shanghai, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory had suspended production for over 20 days.
生产的话是按照平时的速度，大概80%到90%之间吧，来进行相应的一个生产。我们对于员工来讲的话，一日2检，就是早上的话我是这个抗原，下午的话就晚上的话是核酸。然后另外的话就是每一天是设置了4个环节来进行，就是我们的一个消毒的现场消毒，包括员工的工位消毒，包括他们的手部消毒的工作。然后对于员工来说的话，就是我们严格控制员工与员工之间的一个距离。
Song said the factory would need 3 to 4 days to boost its production gradually to full capacity. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory is the first wholly foreign-owned car manufacturing enterprise in China. The Shanghai Gigafactory delivered more than 484,000 vehicles last year, an increase of 235% from 2020 and accounting for over 51% of Tesla's global production capacity in 2021.
我们对中国的发展还是充满信心，相信疫情只是一个短暂的一次测验，或者说一次挑战。那我们从复工的过程当中也看到了各界应对挑战的能力，相信很快就可以恢复正常。好，那另外呢，因为汽车是一个产业链非常长的行业，那特斯拉要复工，也就意味着我们还有很多的供应商也要随之复工，才能够确保我们生产的稳定和持续的进行。